Hi everyone, I'm super excited today to be reviewing the FixcamX Polarized lens. This is a polarized lens. Depending on the vehicle you have to search for it, but this is the model number for Ioniq 5. And what you do is just basically very easily take off the 3-in tape and place it right over the lens. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it looks. See right here, this is currently the FitCam recording, and you can see the details. So we're gonna go ahead and put the polarized lens on and see how it looks. Now this is not a very sunny day, it's a very cloudy day, but you can see some reflection for sure on the glass when recording. So let's go ahead and put the polarized lens on and see how it goes. So we can see right now the lens is on, and there is definitely a difference in the polarization. Now the great thing about this lens is you can twist it and you can see you can unpolarize it just like sunglasses. So let's go ahead and turn it back over here, and you can see right there it's good. I mean it glares off. So phenomenal product. I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. Highly recommended for a dash cam, especially if you want to be able to pick up license plates or just don't have any issues on picking up items on the video. So with that said, thanks for watching. Press the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you've tried this and your thoughts on the polarized lens. Thanks. See you guys soon.